Alright, we're back in Brian's shop, week 3, working on this thing. He's got the hanger all welded up, which is awesome, and working on the steering box stuff. So as I mentioned before, this steering box relocation kit is actually for a factory solid axle vehicle to mount the IFS steering box for high steer. So we're just cutting it up right here to actually work with my frame.
All my walls are covered in words, and while you sleep, I mark my goals. Stand tall, think clear. Don't let them see a hint of fear. Lines and dots, zoom in, zoom out. Open your window, let them hear you shout. Right on the poles, right on the street. Always remember the future is near. Cut some corners, scratch some scars. Put on your cape and jump from the car. Open your mouth, take a deep breath. Run fast and don't stop at the edge. You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know. You can be anything you want.
Boom. So what I just did was use a ratchet strap to compress the actual shock, because we're measuring to see if my old shocks will actually work on this. Otherwise, Ryan's got some that are 2 inches shorter. Really, I'd have like an inch above travel. Yeah, I don't think we want that.
Don't let anything stand in your way. Stand tall, think clear. I promise I'll always be here. Cut some corners, scratch some scars. Put on your cape and jump from the car. Open your mouth, take a deep breath. Run fast and don't stop at the edge. You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose.
The front is essentially buttoned up. Shocks are on, steering is 100% set up. Yeah. Ryan's just in the back working on shock mounts, and we'll be close to getting her on the road. Alright, so I noticed some wear on the brake line here on the braided cable. Like it wore through the plastic coating from either rubbing on the tire or the leaf spring or something. So we put this fuel line over top and this zip tied her into place where we noticed it's wearing to help prevent it from, wearing all the way through.
When I was a kid, my dad used to say, don't let anything stand in your way. Stand tall, think clear. Don't let them see a hint of fear.
Ryan's got the bump stops going here. Alright, he is 100% done. So we're going to put the Toyo MTs on for the very last time today. And yeah, I'm excited to see how this thing rides on the highway.